birthday, Denise.
Happy birthday, Ate Denise. I love you. Ayan na. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Stay kind and healthy and pretty also.
Happy birthday, Ate Denise. Miss you so much. More birthday to come and sana mag-bonding tayo ulit soon. I love you very much. I miss you too.
Happy birthday, Ate Denise. Happy 18th birthday. Sana happy ka ngayon sa pag-celebrate ng 18th birthday mo. Lalo na kanyang pinaghandaan ni Papa at yung Mama mo, ng mga kapatid mo. And sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral and bawal mo na ang boyfriend. Unahin mo na ang study. Alam mo naman na gagawin mo. Happy 18th birthday ulit. Sayang hindi kami naka-attend sa libo mo. Pinaghandaan pa naman ni Papa at ni Mama mo yan. Gusto ko man maka-attend. Hindi kaya eh. Pawi na lang sa sunod. Okay. Aral mo na mabuti. Alam mo na yung bawal mo na. Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Denise. Every day's my pleasure. Loving you. Look. And see you. Okay,
Hi everyone, I just want to say and I'm really grateful for meeting you even with all of this distance because you have this way of making things feel lighter even on a hard day where I need the most, and for that I really appreciate you. It's been truly an amazing experience knowing and bonding with you and seeing and I am just genuinely proud of you turning 18. It is a big moment and I hope you enjoy it and everything that comes with it. I hope you keep being yourself, keep growing and keep going after what makes you happy. No matter what, I'll always be here for you and wishing you the best. I love you and happy birthday.